to circle challenge. For example, when you're doing what's your name, my name is. We're going to start with a rhythm for all the same for everybody. Clap, clap, tap. Okay. And on that, we're going to say, what's your name? Everybody? What's your name? Okay. And then everybody's going to answer with their name. My name is Olivia. Everybody, here you're going to say, you're going to repeat, her name is Olivia. Ready? Her name is Olivia. Okay. But now we're going to do it in a circle. So first, everybody together. What's your name?
My name is Ben.
His name is Ben. What's your name? My name is Olivia.
Her name is Olivia.
What's your name?
My name is Alexander.
His name is Alexander. What's your name?
My name is Heather.
Everybody? Her name is Heather. Now, here we've done the same signature for the name. We could have the kids invent their own signature. For example, could you invent one, Ben, for you?
My name is Ben.
Okay, and we have to repeat with them.
Okay.
My name is Ben. Well, we should say, his name is Ben. His name is Ben. Okay. Start with a simple one first, because it's quite difficult to get the rhythm right first. Okay? So that's it, the twist.